How to fix Steam error code 2 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Check Steam server status. This method checks if the problem is caused by Steam's servers by confirming their status. The E502L3 error can occur when the servers are down, preventing request processing. Sometimes, a temporary glitch within Steam or Windows can cause this error. Restarting both can refresh connections and clear minor software issues. Fix 3. Run Steam as an administrator. Insufficient permissions can prevent Steam from accessing required system files, leading to Steam error code 2. Running the application as an administrator can help. Corrupted or missing game files can prevent games from launching, triggering Steam error code 2. Verifying game files through Steam can restore any damaged files. Right-click on the problematic game and pick Properties. Go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait till the scan is finished and attempt to launch the game again. Sometimes, changing Steam's download region can help resolve server-related issues that cause Steam error code 2. Select a different region from the drop-down menu. Restart Steam and check if the issue is resolved. Network problems, including slow or unstable internet, can interfere with Steam's ability to connect to its servers. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.